Creating Kajabi templates allows you to quickly build pages, emails, and other content for your online business. Here's how you can create and use Kajabi templates. Log into your Kajabi account. Go to Kajabi and sign into your account. Navigate to website section. From the dashboard, click on website in the left-hand menu. Here, you will find templates for your pages. Choose a pre-built template or create one. Kajabi offers pre-designed templates for different purposes, such as product launches, lead generation, and webinars. Select a template or click Create New to start from scratch. Customize your template. Use the drag and drop editor to customize your template. You can add text, images, videos, forms, buttons, and more. Kajabi also allows you to adjust the layout, colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your branding. Advanced customization. For more control, use Kajabi's code editor for custom CSS, HTML, or JavaScript. Save as a template. Once you've customized your page or email, click Save as Template to store it for future use. Use your templates. To create new pages or emails, simply select your saved templates and reuse them, saving time when building out your site or campaigns.